Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Kinky Chick No Lie, and I know you are wondering what I am doing with this beautiful bottle of herbal oil. And let me tell you, I believe it is one of the most underrated natural hair practices for hair growth, strength, and length retention out there, and that is hot oil treatments. And we're going to use this oil to do that today. So the first step is to take that oil, put it in some hot tap water about 10 minutes and let it get warm. Okay, so right here I separated my hair into some twists, and I already finger detangled my hair. Okay, I didn't use a comb, I just finger detangled it. I wasn't precise with parting and none of that. None of that is necessary. But what I did do was go ahead and remove all that shed hair from it, and then apply the warm, and it really was warm, it felt really good, the warm oil from root to tip. Once you apply that oil from root to tip, you want to go ahead and twist that up out the way, and then just proceed to the next section, however many sections you put into your hair. But the reason I feel like hot oil treatments are underrated is because I recently polled my YouTube channel and asked them about hot oil treatments. Do they do them? Do they like them? And surprisingly, most people say they do not do hot oil treatments. And I was like, whoa, you know, actually I used to do hot oil treatments back in the day when I first began transitioning from relaxed to natural. But I'm not gonna lie, I fell off too, but I do not know why, because the results of this hot oil treatment are bomb. They're amazing. We'll get to that, you'll see at the end. But make sure you're applying that warm oil to your ends, okay? The ends are the most fragile, weakest parts of your hair, and we want to make sure that all that is getting covered with that oil. And the reason I use this herbal oil is, number one, I had extra. Number two, why not moisturize and nourish my hair with the herbs that's in it at the same time? Because to me, it's a win-win. This oil is the Rosemary and Mint Dupe Mielle oil. I'll put the link to the video on how to make it down below. But I was like, hey, why not? So actually, you'll also see me apply some of this oil to my scalp because it is a stimulating herbal oil. Okay, so we're going to use it on my scalp and on the length of my hair and the ends. Okay, also, you guys want to grab an old t-shirt because this oil can get messy, you can drip. It was dripping all over my forehead, my ears, and all that, but I didn't care. I scooped it right back up and put it into my hair. But wear something that you don't really care about, okay? Let's get into some benefits of hot oil treatments. All right, so number one, it softens hair. All right, second, it helps with dandruff, and third, it helps with split ends, which is a really big thing, because if your hair is splitting and you don't do anything about it, it's going to continue to split up the hair shaft, which causes breakage, and you will not see any hair growth. So nobody got time for that. But look at that, look how my hair is soaking up that oil. It really is loving it. I really slept on myself for a while because I stopped doing hot oil treatments, like seriously. But after this, you'll see the results at the end. After this, no, I'm gonna be doing one every 2 weeks. So if you have really damaged hair, I would suggest doing it once a week. But if your hair is pretty much healthy and you want to just maintain the strength of your hair and softness, I would do every 2 weeks. Like I told you guys, I'm using the Mielle Rosemary and Mint Dupe oil, but you can use any oil you want. You can use olive oil, you can use sweet almond oil, you can use coconut oil, whatever oil you like, okay? And then once you get that all into your hair from root to tips, you need to cover it with a plastic bag, plastic cap, anything plastic, cover it up. And typically you want to leave it on anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes. Okay guys, I am all washed. Okay, so I have shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned my hair after the hot oil treatment. And right here is where I'm really realizing how super soft my hair is. Like, I couldn't believe how soft it was just from the hot oil treatment. I really forgot. You can see the shininess, the moisture in my hair. Like, my hair was really loving it. All right, so after that, I'm always going to layer on my moisture. So first I'm going to add this mango butter leave-in conditioning cream by Mielle Creations. And I'm gonna apply that from root to tip. And what I really noticed here is that the leave-in conditioner applied way smoother than normal. Like, it was just smooth. It just went in like with no friction. It just glided over my hair and went straight into it. So I was really surprised at that. I shampoo my hair with the moisture-rich, sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner by Mielle Creations, and I also use the dark chocolate and mint deep conditioner by Mielle Creations. I never skip deep conditioning. And this is the Mielle Dupe oil I was telling you about. I just have some in a brown bottle, which is easier to apply to my scalp. So this is the same oil I did the hot oil treatment with. So I'm going to seal in my leave-in conditioner with this oil as well. And that increases my lint retention, okay? And then you'll see in a few minutes or in a few seconds, I'll apply some to my scalp to promote strength and hair growth. So guys, if you're not doing hot oil treatments, I would suggest doing them once or twice a month. Mine was a 10 out of 10 for me, and then I layered on my moisture. I'm gonna let my hair air dry, and then I'm probably gonna put it up in the bun. Oh, you guys, do not forget your scalp massages, okay? And I really hope you guys put this into your hair care routine, because it really is a bomb step. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and turn on your notifications so you'll know when the next time I upload. Bye.